this was available in the shopping mall. And let's go makeup. And I collection. Alright, guys. So, just like this.
No way. Ito, tsaka ito.
So, guys, ang kulit talaga ni ate. Pinubura niyo talaga lahat ng makeup. Di ko na talaga siya may-makeupin, guys.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be give a tongue this down. It's time for me makeup. Now it's time for milk. So I'm gonna use this with this.
Ako lang ang uupo kasi dry na nilis.
Can you just
Pwede mo ba i-open for a second?
for a second?
Guys, I just give this to Tita. And a moment.
Thank you. You
Okay.
can you can Can
So
you
guys, gusto ni ate i-mix yung lip gloss with the lipstick. So gagawin ko. So just now it looks like blood.
Can you just hindi
Alright, guys.
guys, this soap is hot.
Alright. Guys, don't ever do this with your permission from your teeth or your mommy. Because we asked permission from our mom to our next.
Yes.
So I was the one to ask. A lot of you guys were asking on other videos. So please subscribe to
This video.
and give it 10,000 likes.
Because if you have a thousand, we're gonna not video again. This time. Okay, guys.
Okay, guys. So is this a thumbs up? 10 thumbs up. Alright, guys. So let's finish this now. Pwede isama sa cheeks.
No. Yes, only. Oh my God.
Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
Oh my God. Hey, why did you do that? Hey.
Oh my. Alright, guys. So ate is in the mirror. So because she was so carried away.
How can you give us some tips about makeup?
6.
So, this one, ang super mahal nito, guys. Bili nyo to in .com section. Nabili namin to in Mega Mall, Disneyland. So, ask your parents to go there. To buy this.
Hey! And then
because that is so weird.
Ew!
So, gawin mo ate sa akin.
Diba sabi mo, lipstick lang yan sa'yo?
Alright guys, so gagawin ni ate sa akin.
Ah. Just go it. Oh my God! Nakasama yung glitter! Nakasama yung eyeshadow! Nag-glitter! Oh my God! Oh my God! It's almost to your teeth! It's almost to your teeth. Nabura ko ulit. Sorry.
Okay na yan, okay na yan.
Nabura ko na lang uli yung ano. Nabura ko na
Yung ano?
yung protection na naman. Ako na magkikita.
No, ako na.
Diba sabi mo?
So guys, uulitin ko yung makeup kasi si ate binuri.
Wait lang.
How about this one?
So guys, that's Aisha's color. Green, green, green. Because she's the daughter of the underworld.
How about this one?
That's off the sun.
Bloom, fairy of the dragon.
How about this one?
Seriously.
Serious.
Stella, fairy of the shining sun.
This one?
Seriously. It's gonna be
Ariel.
Rocky.
Technomusa.
Technology.
Musa.
Fairy of what?
Fairy of music. Alright guys, so give me
Oh my god!
give me your other hand.
Wait. Are you serious?
So guys, don't leave yet.
Because we're actually. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey.
Alright, don't
Wait!
forget to subscribe.
Yes.
She was the one creating this video first. So
Wait lang.
we saw everyone vlogging.
Yes.
We saw everyone give this a thumbs up. So I hope you enjoyed the show. Bye-bye.
Not yet!
Oh.
You seriously, sister? Tita, marunong ka ba mag-upload? O, diba sabi ka na?
Pa-share it ng Facebook.
Wait!
Guys. Of course, we forgot to tell this. Don't ever sneak out from your windows again.
Yes.
Because ginawa ko yun the first time when I was born here. And I was 3 years old, guys.
Can I?
Then, I was about to say, oh, why not to vlog? And Tita just said, huh? So guys, don't forget to subscribe,
Like and share.
and
But
don't forget to subscribe for
like,
millions.
share this.
Bye guys!